I was thinking of putting up a video of drone deliveries, the recent hype surrounding home delivery drones. There's Uber, Manor, Amazon, to name just three. Timing's good, isn't it? Been prepared mentally for these delivery drones for what, a decade, maybe 15 years, I think, when they first started mentioning them. That gives you a time scale of introductory technology and timing. So if people are wondering just how they plan to implement medication delivery, food delivery, well, it's going to be by drone if this pans out the way we think it will. You're going to start seeing drones flying around your neighbourhoods. You might think, oh, that's all right, it's quite very convenient. Yes, it will be quite convenient for a lot of people. I see Meals on Wheels, I see care and medication packages for the elderly. This is a really good benefit of this kind of technology. However, and there's always a however these days, isn't there? Because you can never let a good opportunity go to waste. Have you seen 360-degree cameras that video the entire surrounding area 360 degrees? You can look on YouTube, just type in 360-degree videos, and you can actually move the picture around with your finger. That's not particularly new technology. Then consider that these will be mounted to the bottom and top and sides of every single drone flying throughout the world. And just imagine the surveillance capability and the network that will offer via 5G of total surveillance and the ability to pick a time and a minute for any, let's say that there was a quarantine placed in an area or a lockdown. You had to go out. You had no, I don't know, cat food. That's people would go out for cat food. If I didn't have anything to feed my cat, like a lot of people, you'd consider it as an emotional response. You'd think, where's the harm in that? At the moment, if things are empty in the streets, 5G sensors aren't up. If you're to leave your phone at home, you might get caught on CCTV. But as they well know, you can disguise yourself. You can wear a cap. You can do a lot of things, actually. I know there's recognition cameras now that actually can spot you by your gait, the way you walk, the distance between your shoulder blades, for example, from the shoulder blades to the tip of your head to your toes. So it's way beyond facial recognition now. So the drone capability, when they start flying them around the world, will be able to spot, identify, track you wherever you are, if you're outside of your property and if you're inside your property. Obviously, because there'll be a record of drone deliveries, this takes into social credit, believe it or not, because let's say you're a smoker or a drinker again. This goes back to an earlier video. Are you going to be allowed, or what is going to be the response for healthcare, for example, if you're a heavy smoker or a heavy drinker? So as an adult, you're going to have to make choices, probably healthy choices, but still, that choice is forced upon you, and it is your choice at the end of the day, not to be treated like a child and not to be subjugated and told what you can consume, where you can go, who you can talk to, what you can talk about. These are the types of things that a lot of people don't really see this kind of drone technology having an impact on, but it will. So people want to order whatever they like, but of course that's going to stop people ordering or buying things that they would feel comfortable buying anonymously online. It's going to stop them feeling that they can move freely, actually. Maybe not so much rurally, but certainly in cities and towns. Anyway, I see this as a distinct possibility that they're going to launch these very quickly, and we're going to see a very fast progression of technology now, as well as obviously the after effects of a potential virus, and we still really don't know, do we? I don't, and I'm making videos on the subject. Well, not directly on the subject anymore. I still won't sit here and say I know, because I clearly don't. Cheers.